Fake laughing.
Anna Scanlan with your fake laughing YouTube channel, and encouraging you to laugh and raise the vibration in the body and everybody around you. So welcome, high vibers. Oh wow, so hope you've been laughing and having fun today. Have you been having fun? Have you been laughing? Are you going to be laughing? Oh great, so it's wonderful to be with you today and share some little thoughts and insights. I've been having a little think about a reset button. Bit of a strange one, but I was out the other day and I met a lady here, and it was a really cool little conversation. I was explaining that, you know, my passion is to raise the vibration of 1% of the world's population through laughing and, you know, thinking and going through some exercises and some thinking and some insights that I have, which will help to raise the vibration, and with a high vibration in the body that boosts health, boosts happiness. It doesn't really matter that it's not from a funny joke, it's you bring it on yourself, because the body can't tell the difference between whether it's you know, a fake laugh or someone makes you laugh. So either way, the vibration that's sort of created in your body is phenomenal. Oh boy, so back to reset button. I was trying to have a little think about how we could incorporate a reset button in our day. Or start of day, end of day. I suppose one thing I was thinking about a reset button is when you start a new day, you've got a new fresh day to do, be or have anything that you choose. So you have a reset button to choose the sort of day that you want to have, etc. How you're going to live that day, and you're going to have a purposeful, fun-packed, loving, creative, amazing, brilliant, superb day. Just go reset. That's where I'm resetting to. So maybe the reset point could be you know, how you want to be with your health, how you want to be with your fitness, how you want to be with relationships with your significant other or partner, your relationships with children, friends, family, work colleagues, all that sort of thing. So relationships, so reset to be on that level. We can have, what else can we have? The type of job you want to be doing, how you want to be earning your money, finding something that's you know, of real particular interest, that's good fun. And then perhaps have a chance to reset how you're living your life and you know, enjoying time on the planet and making the most of yourself and living in a high vibration state. So we all have the chance to reset and start afresh how we want to be doing this thing called life. And lightening up's quite a good thing as well. It's, don't have to take life too seriously, and lightening up's so good for you. Laughing, great for the health, great for happiness. So the other thing is, so the reset button, what else can we do? So the reset button, I'm thinking at the end of the day, when we look back on our day, there may have been something, there's a part of you, I think some people maybe, not everyone does this, but maybe you could give yourself a bit of a hard time because you maybe be thinking, oh, I should have not done that conversation with that person, I ended it wrongly, or I wish I hadn't have done this, or oh, I didn't do that, and you start beating yourself up about what you could have done in the day. But the reset button could be like, well, I can actually choose to think back on my day and imagine it how I would have liked to have played out, and go reset. So then I can think, because none of us are perfect, and but what you can do is you can reset that thought, that thinking, at the end of the day, to be something more positive, and maybe how you would have wanted it to pan out. So, and then know that you have an opportunity the next day to reset and go forward on that high vibe living that I'm encouraging through your laughing and your thinking and the way you carry out your life. So yeah, I just thought that reset's quite a good little thing to think about, just like a refresh, like a reset, a chance to sort of, or maybe what she's called Joanna, maybe what she was referring to as a reset button is this is how my life is at the moment, this is how it is, and with a reset button I could readjust how I'm living it. Maybe that's what she meant, but either way, I like the idea of having a chance to refresh, reset, and relive. However you manage to do it, to relive the ideal kind of scenario, your day, how you wake up in the morning. I've got a fresh day. I've reset myself to this way. I'm going to live like this. I'm going to be like this. Yeah, it's kind of cool, really, because you don't have to. Yeah, so being hard on yourself and it's something you don't. It's really not necessary at all. And yeah, I think I like that. So refresh your life, reset your life, reset your day, and reset the day at the end of the day. And because the time that we live is in the now, basically. So taking our thoughts to the past or to the future in a negative way, and not enjoying the time that we have now, is not great for the vibe. So where we want to be is in the vibe, refreshing and resetting resetting ourselves. And maybe that's sort of maybe it's like a check thing, maybe it's like a trigger, if you like. So if you're in the midst of something and you think, oh, I don't feel that great or whatever, press the reset button and have a little think, okay, well, what am I thinking about? I need to laugh right now. I think laughing will help with the reset here. So I go working out where your reset button's going to work for you. Yeah, I like that. So have a great day wherever you are, whatever stage of the day you're at. Keep on laughing, having fun.